Hi everybody. The marble cake I made yesterday was not my aunt's recipe. I thought it was, but I found hers. So I'm going to be remaking that tonight with her recipe. This one wasn't as sweet as hers, so I knew something wasn't right. So I'm going to remake that and put up the video. Also, I had 750 subscribers. When we hit that, I'm going to give away a kitchen appliance tray, which is the one that rolls out like I have under my mixer. And just in the comments, just type me, and that way I can put your name in a basket. And when we hit 750 subscribers, Bargy can pull one out and we'll see who the winner is. So just in the comments, this comment or the cake one tonight that I'm going to do, just comment me and I can put your name in. But I'm sorry for the mix-up. I thought it was hers, and then after I tasted it, I was like, yeah, this isn't hers. This isn't sweet. So I must have gotten it from somewhere else. I don't know. And, but so we're going to make hers tonight. And so I will see you later on tonight.